Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching this video. You're welcome to Introduction to Graphic Designing. And in this particular video, we are going to be talking about, we're going to be using Canva for the purpose of this video, making use of Canva. So let's design something. In this video, let me show you something, gentlemen. These are my recent designs. Some recent designs. This is just a rough work for the purpose of this video. This is just a rough work. We can design. We can choose to design this or this or this. But let's start with this one. This one, this particular. Let's start with it. Here's the light. So this is a Muse Delight. This is a logo. After doing this logo, we can still convert it to 3D logo. But for the sake of this video, because we are just starting, we'll just design this here. Then in the next video, I will show you how to design the logo on. I'll show you how to convert logos designed on Canva. I'll show you how to convert it to 3D logo. But for the sake of this video, let's recreate this. Let's recreate this. So we are going to open a new page, add page. Now, this is our new page here. It is a black page. You can decide to change the color of the background. You can change it to white. You can change it to yellow, blue, orange, and any color of your choice. But I prefer the white background for the sake of this video, so it will be easy for you to understand. And the color here is red, while the color below is black. I'll be showing you how to perform this magic right now in this video. So back to our page. What are we going to do? The first thing we are going to do is to add our text. Come here, click on add text. Add our text, caps lock, MD. This is our text here. You can enlarge it as much as you want. Enlarge it as much as you want. This is the first step. I know many of you will be wondering that how come this top is red while below is black. I'll teach you in this video. The next step, what we are going to do next is we are going to click on our elements. And click on your elements. We use this line. These ones are showing here because I used them recently to design this previous work you are seeing here. This previous work here. That is why they are still. So that is why it is like that. Now we are going to be making use of this line. We click on the line, and this is it. So we drag it down here, and we expand it as much as we want it to be. This is the line we are going to be making use of. So this particular arrow facing up and down, it is used to turn the line as both upside down, anyhow you want it to be. That is the function of those two arrows. Why this is used to move it round, up or down, sideways and all that. So we are going to be dividing the text with our line. That is the purpose of this line. Let's divide our text. Then the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be making use of this shape, this particular shape here. So you change the color to any color of your choice. You can change it to white, you can change it to red, you can change it to yellow, and any color of your choice. So I'll be making use of red. So I can. And the next thing we're going to be doing is to expand it. The shape. The shape. Let's expand the shape. Expand it. And we are going to move the shape upward. We're going to use it to cover one part of this our text, which is the upper part. There you go. Make sure it is not covering the line totally. Make sure it is not covering the line totally. So it is okay like this. Now we have covered one part of it. Then the next step is to duplicate our page. Click on duplicate. You can see we have duplicated it. Now the second page, we are going to take this shade, we're going to move it downward below the line. Exactly. Now if you go up, you find out that this one is above, this one is below. So you can see this one is above, this one is below. Now what we are going to do next, we are going to change the text color of this particular one. But before then, let us change it to white. You see, we have changed it to white. Then the next thing we are going to do, we'll go up to, we change this one to white. Now it's as if we have divided it. Can you see this? And the next thing we are going to do right now is come down here, we change the text color. Click on it, change the color of the text to red. Now we are going to save our work. We are going to save our work first of all. Come here, click on download. We save page 5 only, which is this page, this particular page. Save it. I'll be saving mine to my downloads, naming it as Canva work 5. That is the name I used to give to it so that I can remember Canva work 5, Canva 5. Save. Then we come up here, we do the same thing, we save this one too. Click on download, we save changes, we save page 4 only. Page 4 only. Make sure when you are saving it as as a PNG file. Don't save as JPEG, save as PNG. Best for complex image. Okay, that is that. Then we download. I'll be saving this one as Canva 4 so that I can remember Canva 4. Save. And we are done with this aspect. Now what we want to do now is to join page 4 and 5. These two letters, we are going to join them together. Come down to add page. Now we go to the images we have saved, Canva 5, copy it, copy Canva 5, come back here and we paste it. Ctrl V for paste. Then we reduce the size. Make sure you are not covering the lines. We move it to one side of the page and we go back there. We copy our Canva 4. Click on copy. Come back here and post it. So size this one too. And the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to remove the background so that this particular white shade will not be showing, so that it will be able to join together. Can you see? We cannot join together. Can you see? Because we have not removed the background. Can you see? If we join it now, it's one side will cover the other side. So what we are going to do, we click on this and we remove the background. Done. We click on this too, we remove the background. Done. Now, can you see? Can you see the magic? Because we have removed the background, that is why it is easy for us to join together. Can you see the magic, gentlemen? As simple as this. So let us move this here. Let us increase the size to the weight should be 329. So increase it again. 350, 365. Let's leave it in 400. 400. Easier to. Let's leave it in 193. Let's leave it here. It's 218. So the weight is 400. The height is 218. We'll do the same thing here. Leave this at 400. Then to which is our weight here. Which is to, let's leave our weight here at 194. So we'll do the same here. That's 1. Let's make it 194. Now we are going to join the both of them together. So, right, that is it. This is, can you see? Can you see this? We are still coming down here to change the background. For that, we are going to now we want to add our text. This we want to add this text here. We come down again and we click on add text. Okay, so let's draw this downward a little first of all to add our text. Muse delights. Muse delights. Delights. That is it. You can check where the text is. Muse delights. Alright. It will enlarge this a little. Right. Is it? I think it is okay like this. Then we want to add our cup of coffee. Our cup of coffee. This we want to add a cup of coffee. So come down here. Now we come back to elements. It's my mouse is malfunction. That is why it is. So we come down to elements. This is, you can just search here and search here whatever you wish to use, whatever logo you wish to use, you can search here. But I already searched for this, that's why I have it here. My cup of coffee, I click on it. This is it. Now if you put this cup of coffee on this, it will cover this line. Can you see? It will cover this line. Can you see? It will cover the text. So what do? We have to remove the background. So as it will become a PNG file. You click on remove background. It is done. Come here. Can you see? We have removed the background already. This is it. Now you have to change this color, the color of this text. We have to change it to. We have to change the color of this text to white. This is my reason. Change it to white. Then we change the background to black. Let's go and change the background to black. I think we can see it just like delete this and this. Now look at our design. Gentlemen, this is it. This is how you design something like this. So that is it. You can always come back and refer on this video. If you don't understand, you can come back and watch and watch and watch again. So this is it. Now, in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to convert this particular logo to a 3D logo in our next video. So how do we save? You come down here, click and download. Remember to always save as PNG for the purpose of converting to, because we want to convert it to a 3D in our next video. That's why I'm going to be saving it as a PNG. But if I don't want to convert it to a 3D logo, if I like it like this, or if the client likes it like this, what we just have to do is to change it to JPEG. You just save it as JPEG. And you make sure you are downloading only one, which is this, which is page 4 only. Then click on download. And that is all for our class today. Please tap on the like. God bless you.